Senator Dominic Fedee criticized the Saint Lucia Labour Party (SLP) government for implementing a zero-rate VAT on 70 essential food items, asserting it's a political maneuver to garner votes ahead of the next general elections. Prior to Tuesday's Senate sitting, Fedee alleged that the SLP government utilizes this tool solely when it benefits the party. He argued that the SLP administration is acting contrary to its stated views on value-added tax policies.
I am very disappointed by the obvious political stunt being played with the reduction of VAT on 70 food items. We're going to be debating the bill today in the Senate. And, it really does represent a very clear, expedient relationship that the Labour Party has had historically with the VAT bill. What they have done is whenever it suits them, they're for the VAT or against it. You guys may recall very well that it is the Labour Party that said that VAT was oppressive to the poor people of the country.
Fedee claims that policymakers should have implemented the measure in the aftermath of the pandemic instead of the health and security levy, contending the policy is too little, too late.
It was very clear to all that because of supply chain issues, that the world saw significant increases in prices. When you trace the increase in prices in the consumer price index, we see that there has been a 13.8 increase from 2021 to now in terms of the consumer price index and the increases we have seen. That means that the people of Saint Lucia have been feeling the pinch, going to the supermarkets, going to the pumps, going to various places of trade to buy commodities, to gain services. And to make matters worse, it was in the aftermath of that the government implemented a 2.5% levy, as if prices weren't already expensive.
Despite his criticism of the VAT policy, the opposition senator welcomed the relief for residents.
We think that they've got this whole thing wrong, but we're happy that they have now found it necessary. The Prime Minister told us for many years that nothing could be done. You guys would remember that. And I am so happy for the people of Saint Lucia that finally, if only for a fleeting moment, the bill has a sunset clause. So it's not forever. But the people are finally gaining some relief. And I believe it is because of an election and nothing else.
Beginning August 2nd, 2025, the government of Saint Lucia will zero-rate VAT on 70 essential food items, making them completely VAT-free. Among the essential food items that will be VAT-free are tuna, sardines, canned corned beef, tomato ketchup, chicken backs and necks, wings, salted butter, peanut butter and potatoes. Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre lauded this move as beneficial for the island's most vulnerable citizens. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.